Today I will discuss two most important genetics terms that are crossing over and translocation, which are very important and asked in many of interviews to the students. That's why I'm explaining in a very short and good way. That's crossing over. Crossing over is actually that I wrote on this whiteboard, exchange of segments between two homologous chromosomes. That is called crossing over. What does it mean? Let's suppose during prophase 1 of meiosis, these are two chromosomes which are homologous to each other. These are the chromosome number 11 pair during synaptic stage. When these chromosomes come close together, they are non-sister chromatids. These are two sisters of one chromosome. This is the two sisters of another chromosome, but both are chromosome number 11 pair which are homologous to each other. Their non-sister chromatid exchange their segments like this. This is one, and after the separation the condition is like that, and this is another, and this part is going there. So this exchange of segment between two homologous chromosomes during meiosis 1, this is called crossing over, which is the source of variation, and variation is very important for the process of evolution. The second term, which look like crossing over but very small difference, is present in translocation. What is translocation? This is the exchange of segment between two non-homologous chromosomes. Between two non-homologous chromosomes. This is homologous chromosome exchange and this is the non-homologous chromosome exchange. What does it mean? It means this is chromosome number 11, not pair only, I am taking only one, and this is chromosome number 12. This is chromosome number 11 and this is the chromosome number 12, and due to any certain reason, if small fragment of DNA is broken down, because we know that DNA can be break and can also be repaired, it also has repeating mechanism as well. If due to any reason this fragment break from here and this break from here, not necessarily both will broken down and both have tear into their parts. No, if any one has a sticky ends, this part move and this is also have been broken down and has been removed, but this has a sticky ends. This part, if present, locate at this position. This is called translocation. This part will remove and will translocate on this chromosome on their sticky ends. This is called translocation. The exchange of segment between two different chromosomes, that is called translocation. And the exchange of segment between two homologous chromosomes which are similar but not identical to each other, this is called crossing over. So hope so you will understand these terms. We will next discuss about why Mendels give their laws.